Hey there, today we're going to look at another awesome keyboard shortcut you can use to up your Premiere Pro game. Let's get into it. Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at a few cool keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro specifically for transitions. Now, if this is something you're interested in, then you might want to click the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support Package. Anyway, enough of that, let's get to the transitions. Okay, so if I want to apply some default transitions, all I've got to do is move my playhead to the edit point and press the keyboard shortcut Command D or Control D on a PC, and that will add the default transition to the edit point. The default transition can be found in the effects panel under your video transitions, and if you navigate to the dissolve section, you'll see by default cross dissolve is the default transition, but you can choose that default transition by just right clicking on another one. For example, if I choose this cube spin and right click on here, I can set this as my default transition. Now when I apply that to an edit point, so if I move to the next edit point here in the timeline and apply the default transition, Command D, it actually applies the cube spin. To apply the default audio transition, we use the keyboard shortcut Command Shift D, and that will apply the default audio transition to the edit point underneath the playhead. If I have several clips that I want to apply the transition to, then I can select them and I can use the keyboard shortcut Shift D, and that will now allow me to apply transitions to all the selected clips. You'll see here it's actually saying insufficient media. That's because on some of these I've used the whole of the clip. It's basically the same clip, just duplicated along here. So it will still apply those transitions. You can see it's applied those cube spins, but there will be some weird repeat frames on the edit points where there was insufficient media. There it is then. So have fun experimenting with those, applying those transitions. And remember kids, never ever use the page pill. It's a disgusting, foul, horrible thing from the 80s. Anyway, remember to like and subscribe to get more content creation related tutorials, and feel free to click the link in the description below to find out more about our Adobe Video Creators Training and Support Program. Enjoy, and I will see you on the next one.